This is Bella Mitchell. Bella is 23 years old. She's here with her mother, Crystal. Crystal, some of you know, is going to be her support person tonight.
Simulation is a very innovative technology. The best parts about modern simulation is that it's what we call high fidelity. So it's allowed to basically automate some things that previously we couldn't replicate, like labor. And then being able to do it automatically means that we don't have to send an instructor in there to like push out the baby or anything like that. So it allows a sense of realism in the scenario. When students come in, they run it just like real nurses.
All right, take a deep breath. Bring your chin up to your chest and push.
Push, dear, push. Hold your breath and bear down.
Hold that air in there and push down.
It adds enormous benefits because we're allowed to train our students better. We can train them repeatedly to increase their competence and their confidence. And then we can also train for emergency situations that they may not see that often, but they do need to have the knowledge to be able to handle in a very quick manner.
There we go. Good job. Good job. Baby's coming. And baby is
There
here.
he is.
Okay.
There's the baby.
This is the latest edition of SimMom, so she is able to fully breathe, make breath sounds. She's able to make heart sounds, so we can replicate cardiac issues in maternal patients. And then in addition, we can do what's called a manual delivery, where we're able to go in and help the baby get out, or an automatic delivery where the baby delivers on its own. And so we have a lot of different things we can do with that. Our biggest help with SimMom is it not only helps our students, but also our community partners, because we're able to offer this sort of technology to our local hospitals and healthcare facilities. That way they can train their staff and then continue to train our students as they graduate and become staff nurses.